This instructional video is for the 2000 through 2006 GMC Yukon rear air suspension conversion installation. Always read the instructions first and follow all safety procedures before servicing any vehicle. Before raising the vehicle, first disconnect the ground battery cable. Then open the fuse box and remove the 30 amp fuse. This will prevent any electrical shock. Now safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the rear wheel to gain access to the rear shock. Remove the contents from the Strutmasters box and prepare for installation of the new conversion kit. In this kit you will find your rear shocks, rear coil springs, the bypass unit for the shock electrical connector, and the bypass unit for the vent solenoid valve. Make sure the rear axle is properly supported and remove the electrical connector and the air line. Disengage the height sensor and remove the brake line bracket from the rear differential. This prevents stretching of the brake line. With the rear axle supported, remove the lower shock bolt. Now remove the upper shock mount and remove the shock from the vehicle. Insert the new Strutmasters replacement shock into the vehicle and install the upper shock bolt. Disconnect the sway bar end link, lower the rear axle, and remove the old coil spring. Be sure to keep both of the factory isolators, as they will be reused in the installation of the new coil spring. Remove the ABS line from the bracket to prevent stretching of the brake line. Now, using the old factory isolators, install the new Strutmasters coil spring. We installed an airbag into this kit, but disregard this if your vehicle doesn't require one. Install and tighten the lower shock bolt. Go ahead and tighten the upper shock bolt as well. Go ahead now and reconnect the sway bar end link, the brake line bracket, and the height sensor. Install the supplied resistors to the shock's electrical connector. Remove the rubber shield that covers the air compressor, which is located behind the left rear tire. This shield needs to be removed to access the blue wire and the white wire. After you've located these wires, cut both wires and install the resistor on the harness side of the cut wires. Ensure that all wires are taped. Reinstall the rear wheel and safely lower your vehicle to the ground. After you have lowered your vehicle, reinstall the 30 amp fuse. Please call us for a free diagnosis. This concludes the rear installation for the air suspension conversion kit by Strutmasters of the 2000 through 2006 GMC Yukon.